let us again think of our nature. What is our nature? Our nature is to seek truth and to experience truth. When try to observe all creations in this world, you will find our figure is a special figure, where root is up, head is up, and all parts below. Because of this unique structure, we have only one aim, to seek truth and to become one with the truth. But in day-to-day life, in home, when children live with the parents are teaching the truth. When they become little bigger, they go to the school, and each and every teacher, they claim they are knowing the truth. Everywhere you see, the process of knowing truth is outward concentration, with the help of eyes and ear, with the help of nose and tongue, with the help of touch perceptions, with the help of all sense organs, with the help of all organ of actions, with the help of mind and reasoning power, we are trying to know the truth, and we are trying to express and teach the method of truth and teach what is the truth. In reality, we are failed. We will realize truth, but it will take million years of diseaseless time. Let us think about 500 AD. That was the darkest phase. That period where human beings were sold, where all human beings, majority, were having belief and faith that when you offer any person and try to slaughter them in front of the deities, in front of the God images, this is called very great. They are cutting the tongue and offering to the God, cutting the ears, offering to the God, cutting fingers, offering to the God. Now you see, at present, we think this is foolish thing. This is ignorant. How you can find God when you cut your tongue and offer to Him? Now from 500 up to today, 2015, you will find big change. This is called journey towards the truth. Like this, imagine 1 million years journey we need. 1 million years diseaseless journey to experience complete truth. Okay, all right. When we realize complete truth, then how we will feel? Then you will realize you have all power how to become all same time. You will remain human beings, at the same time you will be angels, at the same time you will work like animals, you will work like plants, you will like a solar system, galaxies, you will work like atom molecules, radiations of infinite varieties. Moment we experience truth, then we work like this. Moment we want to change, we can make any structure to disappear. Again, you can make that structure to reappear. This is called the effect of oneness with the truth. Therefore, this our figure, head to toes, is designed to seek the truth and practice oneness with the truth. Okay, all right. This is very good. We want to experience oneness with the truth. And we want in one lifetime, as Lahiri Mahasaya experienced the truth. Therefore, he was able to help many in different forms. He never learned medical science, but he was curing all sick persons unknowingly. Persons will not know that they were healed by him, and he raises dead person. Now see, this is all things were demonstrated by Lahiri Mahasaya. Because he practiced Kriya Yoga meditation, he realizes truth in one lifetime. He was able to manifest in many forms, in many places. And he was able to enter into any consciousness to enter inside tree, in animals, in human beings. That is what is the truth we want. Okay, all right. Now let us imagine that we have decided it. Then how to approach it? This is very easy. Head to toes is platform. When we learn concentration on it, then you will find miraculous stage. As you concentrate more and more on head to toes, according to the Kriya Yoga science, then you will find all family members are becoming healthy. They become healthier and healthier, more and more knowledge and peace in them. You are practicing and they are changing. If they have no conflict with you then. If they have conflict, effect will be less. Remember it, by concentrating on head to toes, if you want to serve your parents, your friends, your children, and your life partner, husband, wife, anyone, just you practice sincerely. By your practice, all will be uplifted. This is 100% decided. Now next thing, we want to become very sincere in seeking truth. And we are very much dedicated. We want to experience truth in short span of time. In 3 years, 6 years, and 12 years, 24 years, 48 years. Okay, all right. Then very easy. Just concentrate. Now close your eyes. Don't believe that with the help of open eyes you will see the truth. No. Let us close eyes and look inside. How to look inside? When you are closing eyes, whatever you see, color radiations in front of forehead, around forehead, by concentrating on those rays, you are concentrating inside. When you watch breath, you are concentrating inside. When you close ears and listen vibration, you are concentrating inside. When you practice tension relaxation, concentrate on changes, you are concentrating inside. And when you are concentrating inside, whatever you feel, accept it the most important. This is all in all. Never say pain and pleasure, never name bone and muscles, never say atom and molecules. Have only one sentence, one principle. This is all in all. Keep on doing it. You will find the best thing in your life. Whatever you need, all things will come to you. Then our reasoning power is very tricky. He wants to know how everything will come to know without going there and collecting it. Yes. You see, air is coming to us. We are not going and searching air. Sky is coming to us. We need sky more, therefore sky is present inside everywhere. Sunshine is coming to here. In the same way, just be dedicated practitioner. Concentrate on head to toes. Feel more and more. Then you will realize all things what you need to experience ultimate truth, oneness with the truth, that we are one with God. There is no space, no distance. Then you will find that this life is blissful. From today onwards, try it. Concentrate more on a spiritual aura, on breath, on holy vibration, on head to toes, on changes within. How can I concentrate? My mother is sick. I cannot do it, my father is sick. The whole family is in turmoil. They are sick. They don't have food for livings. Do not worry. Practice sincerely. If one practice in family, practice sincerely, all persons who are connected with that person will be nourished automatically. And you will get everything really what you need. Surplus we do not need. And we do not need deficiency also. We want exact amount and that will be there. As when you are working, you will get exact amount of blood in the arm, exact quantity and volume of the muscles according to the activity what you do. We don't say that I want a storage of blood for my security. No, then you will be sick. Therefore, this is so important to know. Just practice Kriya Yoga sincerely. Never try to transform others. When you will be transformed, all will be transformed who are with you. Therefore, just let us decide from today, practice with deepest devotion. Let us close our eyes and again decide it. From today onwards, we will realize we have joined a spiritual university. We have decided to experience oneness with the truth in one lifetime, in this lifetime. With this brief message, let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit and open eyes.